Hello everyone, welcome to Canteen Cup. My name is Scott and it's a little bit rainy today. I did manage to get some tractor work this morning. I built this ramp. It's not done yet, but I've at least got the basics down, and then probably the next time I tackle this I'll put gravel on top and kind of smooth it out. But that's my ramp. I'll be able to get my cars and my tractor and everything else up there. The ramp is not going to be the full width of the pad, and that's okay. Reason being is I don't want to cut too much into where my drive is. I have to kind of make sure it's wide enough, because over here is our greenhouse project and we're working on that. And so everything in bits and pieces. So that's our greenhouse, where we're starting our greenhouse. That's just plastic sheeting that's made for greenhouses, and we're gonna, tack it down either with duct tape or tie wraps. We don't know yet, but we're getting there. And then looking at it, our field. That's all radish and dill, probably some sweetbriar, and there's some clover out there. So it's all starting to grow, and we're really appreciating that. Really, the idea at this point is to get these plants to grow, and then as they grow, they'll help turn up the soil, make the soil more loose, and then as the seasons go by, the plants will die off and they will become mulch for next year. So that's pretty much it. That's all we got going for today. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and let you know we're making progress. We got the pad. We now have the pad the way we want it, and hopefully in a couple weeks we'll get the canopy over the top. I'm gonna, after another couple days, I'm gonna actually set the shipping container down on the pad and then level the front to the pad, so it'll all be nice and level again. And I'll have a nice workshop, a nice place to change the oil. I'm looking forward to it. Alrighty, everybody stay safe and stay secure. We'll see you out there.